Pip and Jay on a mouse hunt. They are not happy bunnies about this mouse.
We are at war!
Ding, ding, motherfucker! It's round 2. I got my lunch and my dinner, fool. You think we gon' bow down to some punk ass niggas? We from the evil side, boy.
Go boy, whack 10. Go boy, whack 10. Go boy, whack 10. Go boy, whack 10. In about 4 seconds, some east side niggas is gonna put the foot in the ass of Go boy and whack 10. I suggest you stay tuned, motherfuckers. It takes two of you faggots to get what I mean. Now I'm running up at you hoes with no Vaseline. You can be the big fish, bring your drama. Fuck your mama, I bring the pack of piranhas. You try to pull a ditty hoe, but you're the one who got the alternative rockets up in your video. You get it.
Oi! Jay got the mouse, Pip. Jay got the mouse. Pussycat's the winner. Look, big growl. Bye bye, Jay. Jay wins.
Beep.
Jay wins. Poor Pippa.
Beep. Jay has it.
Pip. Oh, poor Pippa. Pip, here. Pippa, come here. Here, Pippa. Jay's got it, and you go near Jay, you're going to get battered. You happy? Was that nice? Wait, good girl. Good girl, Pip.